How to pin app on a Samsung Z Fold 6 to access only one app. Tap the recent button to view the recent application on a Samsung Z Fold 6. Now tap any app icon to use a pin app. If you can't find the pin app, make sure enable it. Try in another app. Now you can't see the pin app. You need to enable it. Open the app drawer. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to security and privacy. Tap on a security and privacy. Again scroll. Tap on a more security settings. Now scroll down at the bottom. You can find the pin app option. Tap on it. Pin app only work if you have used a 3-button navigation on your device. So make sure 3-button navigation enable. Now toggle on it. Now you can enable also ask for pattern before unpinning the screen to secure your phone data. Now go back. Now let's see how to use app pinning feature when you give your phone to your friend or family member for specific app. Tap the recent tab. Now tap on any app icon. Here we tap in this icon. Now you can see the pin this app option. Tap on it. Now app is pinned. To unpin the app, touch and hold the recent and back button at the same time. Tap on OK. Now app pin message available. Now you can only access this application. Just access this application. When you try to exit application, you can see unpin the app to exit the application. So you can access specific app or only current screen when you use pin app feature. To unpin the application or app, long press the recent button and back button. Now app unpin and unlock your device. Now try to go back and you can access another screen on another app. That's it. If you like it, share it.